Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM7 Error 1009 that states system too hot. In case your device was used for a very long period of time, or it is improperly stored, which means it doesn't have enough airflow from the bottom of the device. It's set on feet which function as a scale, but not only they function as a scale, they set the device above the surface so that the air can go under the device. If it's set either not on a flat surface or not on a hard surface like this desk, it's hard, but if it was set on, I don't know, a carpet, you probably don't set it on a carpet, but if you did, then it wouldn't have enough airflow. But it also, if it was used for a long time, or if there's like, if it's in a cabinet or pushed against the wall with no airflow, then it may occur. And in that case, you may want to try to move the device, but also just let it cool down. To cool it down, it's best to turn it off by pressing and holding on the power button until it tries shutting down. After it shuts down, you can also unplug it from the power for about half an hour, and later turn on the device again by pressing on the power button shortly. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.